Well, I always look forward to the first News Hour debate of the week, and here we are. Let's get ready to debate. Sambit Patra, Mr. Rajagopalan, Mahesh Jethmalani, T.R. Kakkar, take the view. T.R. Kakkar, former police commissioner. Mr. Rajagopalan, senior journalist. Mahesh Jethmalani, senior lawyer. Sambit Patra of the BJP on one side, critical of Rahul Gandhi. Backing Rahul Gandhi tonight, Ami Yagnik of the Congress party. She knows she has a tough job on her hands. KTS Tulsi also there to defend Rahul Gandhi, Member of Parliament of the Rajya Sabha. So this is completely fair and completely balanced. And Aarti Jairath, I won't preempt your point of view. Let's debate. So I'll put the first question out. We'll put a first few questions to the Congress. First few questions to the Congress and Congress backing representatives, and then we'll debate. Okay. And let's keep our answers short so we can open up the debate. Mr. Kakkar, don't wait for your turn. This is open debate. The first question goes to Ami Yagnik. I know, Ami Yagnik, that in your view, your worldview, your political cocoon called the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi is a very important person. But pray tell the people of this country, what does anybody gain by finding out the size of his shoes? How is that political espionage?
Should I?
Yeah, please restrict your answer to the shoes, because we'll go to the eyes, the height, the physique,
Yes.
the gait. Later, there are also important issues, I'm sure, but right now I only want to talk about the shoes. Rahul Gandhi's shoes, a matter of national concern for the Congress party, that their size should be kept secret. And when a police officer goes openly with a form openly, he didn't climb onto some tree and jump into 12th Tughlaq Lane. Openly he goes in and he asks, what is the size of Rahul Gandhi's shoes? The Congress party says this is political espionage of the worst kind. We are back to Police Raj, Gujarat model, police state, whatnot. I mean, what's the issue here? Please explain the importance of Rahul Gandhi's shoes to me tonight.
Now, I request you not to intervene in the middle when I am giving you the answer.
But I want you to answer the question about the shoes. I'm very interested in the shoes.
Yes, I will answer. I will give you the answer, but not the answer you want. I am answering the nation today. First thing, Congress party is a political party. Don't use words like cocoon and whatnot. You can use for BJP.
Why?
Second thing, Rahul Gandhi is not only my leader, he is the youth icon of this country, and he is a leader of the young people of this country.
That is the second
the youth
point.
of the country, Baba.
Third point
Don't do this to the youth.
There is no...
Please spare the youth of the country. Don't do this torture to the youth.
Interfering, please.
Youth, one youth of the country.
Debate, please.
I am the youth of the country, Baba, who is trying to spare myself from Rahul
please
Gandhi.
spare that. Let us speak.
You might have your own personal leader. Please keep your personal views to yourself. The third
Leaders
point,
are not
Arnav, is
personal.
that
Leaders are public, by the way.
They are national.
There is nothing called as personal leaders.
They are national.
Rahul Gandhi may be the personal leaders of
I am
leaders
again
of
asking my question because I feel my question, very important, is being avoided. And I request the Congress representative to come in and answer my very important question. I want to know...
You are not stopping Sambit Patra.
Sambit Patra, please stop 1 minute.
Let me complete my answer.
On the
Tell
shoes.
him not to jump in every debate the way he wants to.
Sambit won't. But tell me about the shoes.
The third point is about your shoe size.
Shoe size, yeah.
No, shoe size. Yes, I'm coming to that.
Not my shoe size.
Anyone can
Rahul
ask
Gandhi's
about
shoe size.
anyone's shoe size. Yes, shoe size can be asked. But there is a method in asking.
How?
A constable cannot walk to anyone's house. He has to show from which authority he has come, which profession, what rule he has got.
shown that.
And he has to take an entry. He has to take
He
an
got
entry.
entry.
Bosses.
He got legal entry.
No, don't say that. So you mean to say that any clerk from the CM's office of Gujarat can come and ask Arnav shoe
He
size?
got legal
What are you
entry, madam.
talking?
He got legal
There has to be a
entry.
covering letter.
He showed his
Covering
ID card.
letter.
One
There has to be a
second.
covering
It is
letter.
not about
No,
one
it is a
second.
letter.
Okay, 1 second. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'll just relax. No, 1 minute. I'm not a... No, one second. Please. I want to make a small clarification. I'm not in the list of 526 important people, neither do I intend to be in this
You
line.
are the
No,
very top
1 minute.
leader.
But if
You are a
somebody
dignitary
were
of
to
this
come and
country.
tell me,
The fourth pillar.
Bhai, please.
You are a dignitary.
If
Anyone
somebody,
can ask you also.
if somebody wants to ask me, Arnav, what is your shoe size? I'll tell him. What's the problem?
No, you will definitely not let anyone come to you. You will ask a constable who has sent you, from which police station you have come, which police department has sent
but
you.
he said
and
no.
how are you just walking in without
Mahesh
a covering
Jethmalani.
letter?
Okay, one second.
Arey, you will
I see
ask
the first
this
hand go up
question.
there.
Anyone
No,
will
Mahesh
ask that
Jethmalani is
question.
being allowed to rebut.
You
Mahesh
cannot bring any
Jethmalani.
proposal
Mahesh
like that.
Jethmalani is the first to rebut, please. By the way, I think, you know what I think? I think this is much ado about nothing. What kind of surveillance requires people to come to the residence of a person they want to spy on and then say what is the color of your eyes? I mean, has the Congress party lost it
Arnav.
completely? You want to do
A new
espionage.
method of snooping. A new method of snooping by the BJP.
But how do you
There are
snoop?
various ways how snooping is done.
People will be saying, you know why I'm debating this? No, one minute. People will say tonight, if this is not an important issue, why are you debating it on the news hour? Because I want the people of this country to know that while Parliament does not have the courage to talk about Sharad Yadav's sexist comments, while the Congress party does not have the courage to comment on Sharad Yadav's sexist comments, they have time to protest about why a police officer wants to know the size of Rahul Gandhi's shoes, a color of his hair, his complexion. It's completely ridiculous. First rebut coming from Mahesh Jethmalani. Mahesh Jethmalani, please go ahead. Yes, Mr. Jethmalani.
No, I think the real point here is that this is a real waste of parliamentary time. This is a dynasty-centric party, and they're trying to make an issue out of, as you said, a real mountain out of a molehill. There is really no issue. It has been clarified. To answer the specific question of the shoe size, Mr. Arun Jaitley in Parliament stated, to which there was no answer by anybody from the opposition benches, that Rajiv Gandhi, after his assassination, was identified by virtue of his sports shoes he was wearing on that day. These are important security aspects as part of a security audit. The police constable went there with a pro forma form which had been in existence since 1987 and revised in 1999. This whole issue shows the intellectual vacuousness of the Congress party and their constant kowtowing and genuflection before Rahul Gandhi. And by the way, they should be very happy that the security audit is being conducted, because Rahul Gandhi needs this kind of security. He gives the security in the slip. One day he's on a commuter train in Bombay, the next day he's in Kalavati's house, and for the whole of the parliamentary session he's missing. He needs the security audit. We need to find where this man is to keep a check on him. Mummy should be very happy, and so should the Congress. That's it.
Well, okay. Would KTS Tulsi like to come in? My question at this stage. You want to counter that? Also, I have a follow-up question. I want to know, Mr. Tulsi, whether you feel the people who came into Rahul Gandhi's house were spies. Were they spies? Because do spies come with an official form to be filled up? Do spies move around with official forms to be filled up?
Arnav.
Yeah. No, were they spies, sir?
Okay, may I answer that?
Do you think they were spies?
May I answer that?
Yeah, please.
You see, the person who came, ASI Shamsher Singh, he came from the special branch. He left the letter behind, on top of which is not only special branch, but it has NCPP branch. NCPP stands for non-communal political parties. Obviously, you are now profiling non-communal political parties. And the second March
non-communal political
2015,
parties.
when Shamsher Singh
New
came,
dimension.
is altogether
Tulsi Saab, you are giving
different
a
from
new
the cover-up which
dimension.
was made.
There is no communality in this. You are giving a new dimension to this.
Who gave you
Yes.
that full form?
No,
Who gave you the full form?
CCP.
Who gave you the full form of non-communal political
NCPP,
parties? Are you telling me? No, one second.
Invented by
No,
Congress.
Mr.
Invented
Kakkar.
by Congress.
You
Mr.
ask the police.
No, one second. Mr. KTS Tulsi, 1 minute, please.
You
Mr.
ask the
Kakkar.
police.
No,
Look,
sir.
look.
So, Mr.
Look,
Kakkar
I
wants to
can-
counter you. 1
I
minute.
can
Mr.
perhaps-
Kakkar. Mr. Kakkar.
Look, this was an absolutely routine exercise which is being carried out for the last 5 decades. And
Routine
the Obama
exercise
has
was
been revised
only on
thrice.
the 20
Even during my time, I knew personally that the important person's security
But
profile
B.K.
is
Gupta
being
doesn't
kept.
know.
Now,
Ved Marwah
question
doesn't
is,
know.
in this case, you know what has happened is, perhaps why Rahul Gandhi, why a lowly, an ASI or a constable went there? The issue is only this. And this has perhaps
It's not a
changed
constable, it's
some
ASI.
responsible people, and we are doing it. Let me tell you, we have been keeping this sort of profile for the former prime ministers, the home ministers, the deputy prime ministers. even Sonia Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, and everybody. I wonder why no
But
questions
Mr.
were raised
Vedmarwa
then.
says that it doesn't exist.
In this case, the moment
You
we
see-
gone to the police has gone to Rahul Gandhi, and that too an ASI. Now the whole plethora of questions have come out.
No.
These
Arnab,
things are done
can
only
I
at
come
that
in?
level.
These two
No
are
IPS
different
officer
things.
goes and collects these things.
These two are
no
different
DSP
things.
goes and collects these things. And let me tell you, the spying is not done by these people. If I have to spy on somebody, I have much better ways and much better people.
Correct.
Much better people who are trained for years together.
Yes, this is a brainless exercise.
Not somebody
This
from
is a
special
brainless
branch or
exercise.
Thana
No, so
and
you
all that.
believe.
They're
No, one second. You
collecting
believe.
routine
One minute.
information.
Ami
That
Agnik,
is
one
what
second.
New
information
U-turn by
should be
Tulsi
given.
Saab.
No.
Tulsi
And-
Saab has
and
given
it
a
is
new
done with.
U-turn.
Why so much of hue and cry on
Mr.
this?
Tulsi has
No.
done a
Why
U-turn.
U-turn?
Yes, you have done a U-turn.
I'm not
Congress has
doing
been
a
saying
U-turn.
6 speeches.
I have not done a
Congress spoke
U-turn.
6 reasons. Congress spoke 6 reasons. And you are the 7th one.
Arnab, this is not a case
What?
of spies and snooping.
I am
Just a
saying that the
second, Mr.
2nd
Tulsi.
March incident is by
What is that NCCP? You say that.
There is documentary evidence to
what
that
is that
effect.
NCCP?
And
this
the
is a
14th March
new angle.
incident is by a beat constable, which was
I am-
nothing more than
as,
cover
as
up.
police
It
commissioner,
was a poor
as
attempt at
ex-police
cover up.
commissioner, I am not aware of this NCPP.
No, this is a
I am
very.
aware of the special branch Delhi police.
You are not
but
aware.
and if somebody
But
has
Mr.
coined his
Vedmarwa
own sort of,
says that he is
if
not
Mr.
even
Tulsi
aware of
says
the
One
that
second,
non-criminal
one second.
talking
This is
about.
now
I've never
getting
heard
very
of word
serious,
non-criminal.
gentlemen.
Mr. Kakkar,
Who is
Ladies and gentlemen, a
criminal?
minute.
Who is
No,
criminal?
ladies
What
and
would you
gentlemen,
say?
We
it's
don't
getting
provide
very
Mr.
serious.
Kakkar.
In fact, I would say
How
it's
you
going
know
out of
you
hand.
know
No, 1 minute.
Vedmarwa says
No,
that he
1
does
minute.
not
Just a
have
minute.
any
Just a minute.
knowledge
Just a minute.
about
Keep
this.
keep things in perspective,
Mr.
gentlemen.
Gupta
1
says
second.
He has no knowledge of this.
No. KTS Tulsi, you are saying on the news hour tonight, you're actually taking it. Now, I want to ask Ami
Yes.
Agnik as well. KTS Tulsi is saying it was spying. It is spying on non-communal political parties. Now, is there any such thing as non-communal political parties? How do you know there is anything called non-communal political parties? Prove to me that anywhere
Ask
in
the
government lexicon,
Ask the
anybody
police.
will use a form called non-communal political parties. And please explain to me, Mr. KTS
It
Tulsi,
is a
because your
special
imagination,
branch. It is
your
a wing of the
imagination,
special branch of Delhi Police.
sir, your imagination
It is
today,
not imagination.
sir, your imagination has
It
gone
is
wild.
not imagination.
Sir, no, sir, it's your
I
imagination.
think,
Your-
Arnab,
No.
we have not done your homework well today.
You find out from the
Arnab.
police. You
You have
ask
not
the
done your
commissioner
No,
of
no,
police.
Ami Agnik, Ami Agnik, okay, Ami Agnik, I find this very amusing.
You have to find out from
Where
where
is
these
Rahul
proposals
Gandhi
are
doing
coming.
his homework?
No, no, no,
This is
Where are
snooping.
these
Then
Rahul
proposals
Gandhi
coming?
and his homework.
The police
Then
station
what about
person
others?
comes only as a cover-up.
Arnab,
On 14th March, they send a beat constable who just does
This is not
routine
about
brainless
spies
inquiry.
and this is not
That's a
about
cover-up.
spies and snooping. This is neither about smelly shoes. It is about Sahajada syndrome. This is a classic case of Sahajada syndrome where the dynastic people like the congressmen
Arnab,
do
can I
not
come
want
in?
that their Sahajada should be
Also the
questioned.
Modi syndrome.
No, Modi
Why not?
syndrome, you
Congress
are
got
suffering.
panic.
No, this is a Nagpur
Why you
You
all
are
are
dynasty
suffering
suffering
from
from
panic?
Modi syndrome,
This is a Nagpur
but this
dynasty
is a
speaking.
classic
Gujarat
case of
model.
Sahajada
Please be
syndrome.
normal.
How dare,
Mr.
how dare a
Katra,
constable
please be
enter
normal.
into the
Gujarat
gates of
model is
Rahul
brought to
Gandhi?
Delhi.
How dare the
Where is this
constable
proposal
ask the
coming?
questions from Mr. Rahul Gandhi's secretariat?
Okay.
Now tell me,
No.
Ami Agnik,
How?
tell me, Ami
Where
Agnik,
is this
how many
constable
U-turns has
Even
the
constables
Congress
have
taken
more
from the very
intelligence.
beginning?
See, seventh.
Focus into the whole
Seventh,
issue.
seventh.
Focus into the whole issue. You have been confused right from the very beginning. You spoke a lie in the beginning. To cover this lie, you
Your
have been
truth has
speaking
come out,
lies
Mr. Patra.
after lies.
Your
And that
truth
is
has
why
come out.
today the Congress
Your
has
truth
egg
has
over
come
the
out of
face.
snooping in
You have
Korea.
egg over the face and you
You
have
are
eaten
hard,
the
you are
crow
exposed.
today. Only because
You
of
are
the fact
exposed
that you have
today.
lies after lies.
You are exposed
Nothing to
today.
substantiate.
Okay, here's a question,
Cover
please.
up.
Okay, Ami Agnik,
You're trying to
Ami
cover up
Agnik,
your-
Ami Agnik says.
Congress gone panic today.
Calm down now, one second.
Congress has
I'm
got
going to
panic.
Why
Arti
would
Jarat
anyone
next.
snoop on Rahul Gandhi?
No, one second.
Is he worth snooping even?
I want to
ask
ask
your heart.
I
Keep
want-
your hand on your heart and ask.
Right, one
Will
sec-
anyone like to snoop on
Ask
Rahul
the
Gandhi?
police.
Even the
Ask the
Congress
police.
party
They're so
considers
brainless.
Rahul Gandhi as a non-entity. No one
Amit
considers
Katra,
Rahul Gandhi as an
you are
entity.
sitting
He is a
Gadkari.
non-entity of
You are
Indian
sitting
politics
Gadkari.
today.
You
Why
tell me
would
what is
anyone
so-
even want to go near him and
Gadkari.
snoop?
All right, please, Sambit, now stop. Sambit, please stop for a minute. 1 second. So I have a couple of questions here. Ms. Ami Yagnik has made an argument that I haven't done my research.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the very pertinent observation. I have with me a piece of paper, Ms. Ami Yagnik. Now, I have a few general knowledge questions to ask you. My first question is, can you please inform me who the Prime Minister of India was in the year 2001?
Why would you like to know that right now?
No, I will not reveal the
You want to
motives
show
for
me the
asking a question.
performance of 1999, 2001, 2005, 2008. I am asking a simple question that who gave the authority to that constable?
Okay, one second. Just a minute. No, somebody don't come in. This is, I'm asking, one second. No, 1 minute, okay. So, 1 minute, please. We are not going to play Kaun Banega Crorepati on the channel. I would have given you 4 options otherwise. The fact of the matter is, I have a piece of paper. The piece of paper. The piece of paper, Aarti. The piece of paper is. The piece of paper is the pro forma of a man called Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Please have a look at it. Since you don't believe me, I'll hold it closely, so if you have a camera close by, you can see it. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's pro forma is with me. 2001. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Atal Bihari Vajpayee's pro forma. If you actually look at it, you see Atal Bihari Vajpayee, right? And if you just go down, you see the date out here. This is 2001. You see the questions there, party affiliation, RSS, etc., father's name, age, date of birth, 77 years is of 2001. Let's go down. Height, build, complexion, etc., go down.
Is it signed by him?
No, 1 second, please. It is signed by the inquiring officer.
No need of signature.
It is signed by the inquiring officer. Why do you think a police officer
He
goes?
takes responsibility.
In 2001.
Mr. Tulsi,
Where is the
he takes the
acknowledgement?
responsibility.
Huh?
Whom will you ask?
No, see,
today?
no.
This is.
About the
Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
I'm asking one question to you.
Right now.
Ami Yagnik, not only, I'm coming to you, Aarti. Ami Yagnik, 1 second. I just want to say this. To the viewers of Newshour Tonight, I produced a document. To the viewers of Newshour Tonight, I produced a document that the former Prime Minister of India, when he was Prime Minister of India, a man like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when he was Prime Minister of India, had no problems giving details, all the details that Rahul Gandhi has asked for. Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, a man who is virtually hardly in his own country, leads 44 members of parliament, is so big, so major, such political royalty, that if you ask him the same questions, he's going to treat, in fact, I ask you, Ami Yagnik, I think the Congress party should apologize. I think the Congress party should apologize. The Congress party should apologize to the police officer for calling him a spy. Don't you think, Aarti? The Congress party should apologize to the police officer for calling him a spy when he was doing his job there. I have the paper with me tonight.
Look up the dictionary and get the correct meaning of the words. Espionage, snoop, surveillance. They don't even know the correct definition of these words. And the second thing is, Arnab, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was probably present when the police went. Rahul Gandhi is missing. The question that really the cops should be asking Rahul Gandhi's office is, where is he? When is he coming back?
That is not concerned.
His showpiece legislation, land acquisition bill is being amended. Where is Rahul Gandhi?
No NCCP.
That's what the police should ask. That's what we are asking.
The policeman meant he's not a spy.
You know the definition.
That's right. You should bring the missing person squad in.
I now want to go back to KTS Tulsi.
For once I'm on your side.
KTS Tulsi, please. 1 second.
No.
So today, Ami Yagnik said, Arnab, you have not done your research. 1 second. You said I have not done your research.
Yes, Arnab, you asked me a question.
Don't get angry. I only ask questions.
Did the Chief Minister of Gujarat apologize for those 93,000 phone calls? Tapping, did the for the CM of the Gujarat
Not tappings. You went to the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court in fact gave a hard statement to you.
Who's responding to that?
The Supreme Court.
Okay, Mahesh Jethmalani and Sambit Patra will respond to that.
Ms. Ami Yagnik, 16th January 2014, you are a lawyer, did you go through the verdict of Supreme Court on snooping issue? The Supreme Court admonished you, saying that take out these words. Mr. Sharma, who was the IPS officer who went to the Supreme Court, was admonished
That was
by the
Mr.
Supreme Court.
Sharma's petition.
Expulse these words,
That
he
was
said.
Mr. Pradeep Sharma's petition.
Today the Parliament- in the Parliament it was said.
That was Mr. Pradeep Sharma's
complete
petition.
the commission? Why was no commission set up? Because
No,
you had
today-
Mr.
nothing.
Pradeep Sharma.
Anyhow, you are free to go to Gujarat. You went to Gujarat in 2014. You were reduced to 44.
Today in
Go
the
back to
Parliament it
Gujarat.
was said-
You would be left nowhere.
Did Chidambaram apologize to Pranab Mukherjee?
Mahesh Jethmalani, counter.
Chidambaram apologized to Pranab Mukherjee.
No, I give 1 point to Mahesh Jethmalani.
It is snooping.
I'll give up 1 point to Mahesh Jethmalani.
Ask Sanjay Joshi. They will tell you about the snooping and surveillance.
Okay, 1 second.
Chidambaram,
KTS
why did he
Tulsi.
snoop?
Why are you
Pranab
asking
Mukherjee
other
no.
people?
KTS Tulsi and Mahesh Jethmalani, please, on the air. 1 second, KTS Tulsi and Mahesh Jethmalani. On the air, they both want to make points on this debate. Now, KTS Tulsi and Mahesh Jethmalani. Yes, Mahesh Jethmalani.
Indira Gandhi was doing.
Mahesh Jethmalani first.
Arnab, again, the finance minister has made it clear on the floor of the House today that this cannot be categorized as a case of snooping. Snooping is done in utmost secrecy with surveillance, and the victim doesn't know, the victim of the surveillance doesn't know he's being kept under surveillance. This is an open inquiry where somebody has gone with a pro forma form to answer certain standard questions which the Congress government itself devised in 87 and revised in 1999. This whole thing is so absurd. I'm telling you, it just shows the utter vacuousness of our opposition, and everybody in the ruling party, this is the real truth of the matter, everybody in the ruling party wants Rahul Gandhi back. Nobody in the opposition, including the Congress, wants him back from whichever foreign shore he is right now in.
Now, Mr. KTS Tulsi, just answer one question. What groundbreaking investigation could the divulging of information, whether Rahul Gandhi has a beard or a moustache, reveal?
You see, that's a brainless exercise. You
No,
should
no.
ask that question to the police.
No, because
But the
Ghulam Nabi
point
Azad
really
said,
is,
Ghulam
what
Nabi
is
Azad
NCPC?
said, Ghulam Nabi Azad said
what
the
is
government,
NCPC?
no, Mr. Tulsi, Ghulam Nabi Azad said the government wants to use this information regarding Rahul Gandhi's hair color, his eyes, and also his, his size of his shoes to threaten and intimidate political parties. Please tell me, how does the information of Rahul Gandhi's shoe size, his hair, his eyes, whether he walks straight, etc., how does that impact, how can that be used to threaten and intimidate the Congress party?
See,
Just can you connect that for me?
No.
Yeah, please.
The real point is, it was also said in the Parliament by someone that more than 1 lakh telephones are being under surveillance, illegal surveillance, without any permission. And many of the ministers' phones are also under surveillance.
Don't change the subject. Don't change the subject. Don't change the subject. Don't change the subject. What is the subject?
Mr. KTS Tulsi.
Sambit Patra.
Where did you derive all this information?
My home is my castle. No one can come in.
Who said
I don't have to answer questions to everybody. And I want you to understand the difference between the visit by NCPP on 2nd March and the visit of the constable on the 14th March.
Come to the crux of the matter.
What did Chidambaram do with Pranab Mukherjee?
The crux of the matter is,
But the previous
snooping is
one
what
was not
Chidambaram
special
did to Pranab Mukherjee. Snooping is what Rajiv Gandhi did to Gyani Jail Singh. That Gyani Jail Singh had to come out of presidential house and had to talk in the lawns
And
because he
snooping is
knew
what this
that the
government did to
presidential
Mr.
fort in
Gadkari.
fact was bugged. During the whole tenure of UPA regime, this is what was happening.
And here
Snooping,
there are 1 lakh
espionage
telephone
and
calls.
spying.
1 lakh telephones which are being bugged.
Today the Congress, which is
Very strange. You are
absolutely
opening your mouth only
unemployed,
today.
is trying its best
When
to
you are
manufacture
not doing that,
Miss Ami Agnik, please understand this seriously. Because you said today that I have not done my research. So I just want to follow it up with you. I'm sure you have done yours, even if I have not done mine. My research tells me that the Congress party...
I am going on total... No,
don't be on the defensive.
I am going
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure you've done your research.
Procedure and common sense part. Research means from where have you got
I'm
this
sure.
performance?
I'm sure.
And
Don't worry.
Constables walk up to anyone's house.
Don't worry.
Any dignitary's house without any covering.
What dignitary? Is he the Maharaja of Jodhpur?
This is VIP syndrome. This is VIP syndrome. How dare a constable walk up to a dignitary's house? It is his duty, Miss Yagnik. It is his duty to get the performa filled. Please, no, apologize. No, this is denigrating the constables of the
walk
country.
into the houses
This is
of senior
denigrating the
citizens.
policemen of the country
Even
who are
the
trying
senior
to do the
citizens,
duty,
and they
because
fill up
it
the
was his
performa
duty
which
to get
relates
this
to
performa
the
filled.
security of
That
the
is the
senior
reason as to
citizen.
why he walked up to your Sehjada's house. That did he climb
I
the tree
see
as
no
was asked?
reason.
Did he climb
Where
the
is
tree
the-
and jump into the house,
Get your
or did he
language
open the
from
gates and go
Constable
inside the
General.
gates?
Get your
Was he
language.
not allowed?
You may
Was he
shoot
not
him out.
allowed by the
Shoot him out, but
SPG
he
to
will
enter
go.
the premises of Rahul Gandhi? He was allowed by the SPG to enter the house of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. He handed over the performa. Your only
I would
problem
like
is
to ask
how
Mr.
dare a
Samvad
constable
Batra.
walk to Sehjada's house?
I
It should
don't
have
know
been the
about that.
Commissioner Police himself.
Perhaps that is the problem.
No, the bottom line is this. One sec. Bottom line is
It's
this.
a
Think about
cartel,
it.
it's a
Think
free
about it.
country.
Think about it. Ami Agnik, think about it, please. You see, the Delhi police does not have any special interest on where Rahul Gandhi goes or with whom.
Okay, I'm going.
Where he goes or with whom.
You switch on the camera.
Because they are only interested in his movements because he's a VVIP and therefore thereby is answerable to the pro forma. There are 526 others in the capital in a force that has been in force since 1957. So, you know, does Rahul Gandhi suffer from some, or maybe his camp suffers from some attention deficit syndrome? That they feel if somebody asks...
Not at all.
No, it appears to me...
We believe in the law. It has to be
No.
done by procedure.
Okay, fine.
Oh my dignitaries,
500
go to this
526 forms, 526 forms were filled during the UPA regime.
There is a procedure to be followed.
Sonia Gandhi was profiled in 2004, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012.
He is the SPG
tell the
protecting
police to
a
go back
constable
and
doesn't
Rahul
have to
Gandhi is
follow
not
the
above law.
channels.
Why are
he
you
has to
wasting
respect
Parliament's
to the
time
law.
by raising this issue
Is he
on the
above
floor
law?
of the
Agni, you
House?
must say that.
Is it such a big issue that Parliament's time should be wasted on this?
I really think you should apologize
also
tonight,
want
Ami
to-
Agni.
Did anyone,
Arnab,
did anyone
should
ask
say-
Sushma Swaraj
Yes,
to
the
dissolve the
should say.
parliament?
Why
Did
Congress did
anyone
not
ask
walk
the
out
BJP
from
to
Rajya
dissolve the
Sabha?
parliament
Why
for
they
2
did it in
years?
Rajya Sabha? Why they did not do in Lok
Why,
Sabha?
why,
can't
should,
ask anyone.
why should
Ami
Parliament
Why Congress
even
walked out?
consider
Ami
this
Agni-
issue?
Why Congress
No,
walked out?
why
That is
did
just
you
a
dissolve the
matter.
parliament?
Ami Agni,
so
I
much
take
big-
an
bigger
exception
And that
to this
question
one
has to be
that
answered
BJP stalled the
truthfully.
parliament.
Congress got
Thank
panicked
God.
today.
Thank
Congress
God
got
we
panicked.
stalled the parliament that we are having lakhs and crores to the coal auction today. You
Let
are saying
Rahul
zero loss.
Gandhi's office
You are saying
pick up
zero
the
loss.
phone and
But
ring up
I
the
tell you,
police and complain
vanishing
that
of
he should
Rahul
come
Gandhi is a
properly
zero
through
loss for
proper channels.
Congress. I tell
Don't
you this.
bring the issue to
Vanishing
No, I
of
have-
Rahul Gandhi is
no,
a
no.
zero loss for the country. But you had zero loss with the coal scam then.
Once
and
again,
we have
10 minutes
made up
into
for
the debate
zero
and I am
loss then.
asking you
We have
tonight-
made up because
Arnab, Congress
Suppose
should
we
answer
solve
why
the
they did not
parliament.
walk out
Let
in
us start
Lok
from your
Sabha.
scams.
Arnab,
Let us
Congress
start
should
with the
say
Marxist
why they
scam
did not walk out of
Madhya
Lok
Pradesh.
Sabha.
Your
Is the
corporate
Rahul
scam
camp
of
and Sonia
Kargil.
camp?
Your
Don't
land
run to
scam of
Madhya Pradesh.
Rajasthan.
Okay,
Yes,
so one second.
don't-
Gentlemen, Ami Agnik, Ami Agnik, 1 minute. Sambit Patra, Sambit a minute. Sambit a minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute.
That also answer.
1 minute, 1 minute. I am confused. I'm actually getting very confused by what the Congress party is up to. I am confused why the Congress party is up in arms. They said Sonia Gandhi has not signed a pro forma. I want the Congress party to tell me tonight whether the paper I have with me is a fake document. If this paper is a fake document, Ami Agnik, if this pro forma I am putting on the channel is a
I
fake
don't know
document.
the
No, let me
authenticity of
complete.
the
Let me
pro
complete.
forma.
Let me complete.
No, I
Let
do
me
not
complete.
know. I don't admit this pro forma. I don't know from where you have got it.
I have
Because
my
there is no
sources. Why should I
signature
tell you?
anywhere. I do not know who is the inquiry officer.
This inquiry officer in this case is Ram Kumar.
Unauthentic or without verification.
Ram Kumar,
documents are
ASI
not
55
tenable in the
1998.
eyes of law.
No, Ram Kumar, Assistant Sub Inspector,
I do not
5th
know
of May
from where you have
1998.
got this.
I have got it
I
from my
want the
sources. Why should I tell
authenticity
you?
and the source from where you have got it.
Why should I reveal my source to you?
Why should it
do
be
not agree with
admitted?
this, Ami
Why
Agni.
should
How
it
can
be
you ask me to
admitted?
reveal my
Because
source on
we don't
television?
see the document.
And she
Why should I tell you my source?
She has not filled the form. Will Sonia Gandhi do that?
Then how
Will
do you
Sonia
know
Gandhi
that it is
tomorrow come
authentic?
out in the public,
How do you
take
know
an
it is
oath in
authentic?
Then prove
public
it's
and
not.
say that no, she has never filled this
Then
form?
prove
Will
it's
Sonia
not.
Gandhi
No,
do this?
Ami Agnik.
And tell me who other than Sonia Gandhi, who other than Sonia Gandhi will know the birthmark of Sonia Gandhi? Tell me who dare. How dare can an ASI or any constable
Sambit,
write where the
it is
kind
a
of birthmark
shame
that
that
she
you
has
are
mentioned?
talking about physical
It is
marks
only
of an
because of the
individual,
consent of
and that's
Sonia
what
Gandhi
a
that
woman
form was
leader.
filled.
It is a shame.
It's in the passport.
This is absolutely undignified. No woman would be happy if
It's in
this
the
was not a
passport.
passport. It is shame on you.
What shame on
Shame
you?
on you.
Say Sonia Gandhi should come out and under oath
you are
she should
talking
say that
about
she has
physical
not filled the
birthmark.
form. She has filled the
Physical
form. That is the
birthmark.
reason
Yes,
as to why
it is in the
there is a
passport.
birthmark. That is why
Talking
there is a
It is in the
birthmark.
passport.
women here.
What the undignified about women? Having a birthmark is no
If
undignified
it is
thing.
in
It's
the
a form which has
passport,
been
let it be
filled.
with the passport authority.
No, why?
You have
That
no
means
right to speak.
that means in this 10 years,
You
in
have
the
no
10
right to
years of
speak.
UPA rule, in the
You
10
are
years of
insulting
UPA
all the
rule,
women
the
of this
police
country.
was deriving
You are
Calm down, Ami
insulting all
Agnes.
the women of this
the
country.
police did not visit the VVPI's house
By
for their
talking about
security.
physical birthmark.
You are running down your own home ministry
You are
during the
talking
10
about
years of
physical
your
birthmark
rule.
on the television.
During the 10 years rule,
What is the
should
issue?
not your police visit your
on you.
VVIPs? Should not the police go to Sonia Gandhi's house and collect data? That means
What
you
is
running
shame,
down
madam?
the
What is
police
shame?
during your own
It is
period.
written there. It is written in that. There is no shame in that. It is already mentioned. That is what Samit Patra is replying.
We don't know whether the document is authentic.
How is the document not authentic?
Birthmark, physical birthmark
Then you
of
file an
women
FIR.
on television.
Then you file an FIR.
If the
dignified?
document is not authentic,
This is what you
then
do for
It is
Sonia Gandhi
dignified.
should
It
come
is
out
dignified.
tomorrow, should take an oath and say
What are
that
you
she has
talking?
never filled such form.
What are you talking?
What
Then
is
who
the
gave the details?
What are you all talking?
Who
What
gave
are
the
you all
details?
talking?
Are you allowing this kind of thing on your channel?
Who is allowing the details?
1 second, please.
Talking about physical birthmarks?
No, 1 second. 1 minute.
No, but
Just a minute. Just a minute. Ami Agnik. Ami Agnik. Ami Agnik. No, first of all, between both of you, Ami Agnik, calm down. Ami Agnik, calm down.
Object to the headline.
Ami Agnik, calm down.
In front of you. You should have rejected the headlines today when the birthmark was read out to the nation. Why didn't you object then? Why are you trying to posture now when you're losing the ground? And what is wrong in having a birthmark? Don't we all mention our birthmarks in the passport?
You are
Why a performer
you
can
are
have a birthmark?
exposed,
Why
Mr.
Rahul
Patra
Gandhi is not
today.
supposed to have
You
a
are
birthmark?
exposed.
Rahul Gandhi is a god.
This is
He's
what you
not
do.
supposed to have a
You do
birthmark.
this grouping.
This kind of VVIPs you are. You are
You are
gods.
exposed
You are
today.
gods of this
You are
country.
exposed.
Not supposed to have birthmarks also. My God, Ami Agnik. You reek of VVIP racism. This party reeks of VVIP racism. The dynasty has to end.
It is shameful.
The dynasty
on
has
your
to
part.
end.
It is
Shameful on
already
your part.
ended.
The dynasty has to
Shameful
end.
on your
It will
part.
end. This is the last nail in the dynasty's
Shameful
coffin,
on your
remember.
part.
You have erred. You have dug a pit and you have fallen in the pit, Mr.
The
Ami
question
Agnik.
is, Sonia Gandhi filled this form. And if you tell me this form is a false form, then tell me the form I have to write. Ami Agnik, this is very serious. You are accusing me. You are accusing me of putting
I'm
out
not
fake
accusing
documents
you.
on Times
I
Now.
want to know.
And I'm telling you tonight, no, Ami Agnik, I'm telling you tonight,
must
I want to
You
say
must
something to you
apologize for
tonight.
this.
1 minute, just
I
1
have
minute.
not accused you.
1 minute, I want to
I
say
have
something
not
to you
accused
tonight.
you.
No, 1 second. 1 second. If this document, which has the pro forma of Sonia Gandhi 1998 is false, I will apologize on this channel. But if it is true, you will have to apologize on this channel. Because I also have, and to me, because you have accused me.
First of all,
Because you have accused me.
First of all,
Because you have accused
apologize.
me.
You have to apologize.
You have
for
to-
putting up the pro forma and continuously saying
This
that
pro
there is a
forma,
birthmark.
if anybody
What is
thinks,
wrong in it? What is
if-
wrong in it?
1 minute, if anybody thinks this pro
is
forma
right,
has
it is
any
right, there is no
information,
wrong.
1 minute, 1 minute. If anybody thinks this pro forma has any information that compromises the security of a VVIP, they should really check their own intelligence. This is information that can be available by doing Google searches. You can Google search and find out. This is not, though if anybody thinks this pro forma, for example.
There is a dignity, but there is a dignity and decency involved.
What is
You
the
can say that
dignity
a
and
birthmark
decency
is
involved
mentioned,
here?
but continuously.
The question is, no, what is wrong? No, where has anybody broken? I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but where has anybody broken any decency? I really think,
This is what you do to the women of the nation.
Miss Ami Agnik, please be sure of what you're saying. What are you saying?
Sonia Gandhi like television.
Miss Ami Agnik, the point being made is, one second.
Paper, which is the paper of the government of India, then there is nothing hitting below the belt.
There is
It
no
not a piece
personal
of
remark
paper.
at all here.
It is a piece of paper. Birthmark is written everywhere in this country. When we take admission in the school, we write our birthmark. When we take
please
admission in the
defend your
college,
Snoop
we write
case.
our birthmark.
You
Do
please
you
defend
mean to
your
say
Snoop case.
there is a column,
Don't
in the
argue
passport of
otherwise.
this country which
Defend
does away with
your Snoop
decency?
case.
What do you
Yes.
defend my
Defend your
Snoop
Snoop
Gate?
Gate.
You have law books behind you. I can
Yes.
see that. But have you not gone through the verdict
is
of
Snoop
Supreme
Gate
Court?
number 2.
16th
You are caught.
January
You are caught doing that. That is
2014.
why you are on the
You were
back burner.
rubbished by the
But
Supreme
now
Court.
we are the
Arey, who
What
cares
is
for
happening?
Rahul Gandhi?
We are
Who cares for Rahul Gandhi to be snooped? He's not even
debate.
worth snooping. Even Congress does not care for Rahul Gandhi. Leave
I'd
aside.
like
Mahesh
Aarti
Jaitlal
Jarat
was
to come in.
absolutely
Aarti.
right.
Why was a
Mahesh
cop
Jaitlal
No, no,
was
I'd like
absolutely
Aarti
right.
to come in.
Even
You
if
see-
we would
That
want
is
him to
one of
return,
the-
you would
No,
not want him to return.
one. Just a minute. Just a
You're
minute. You see,
contradicting
I want to
yourself.
understand, Aarti,
You're
what exactly is the
contradicting
Congress Party's grouse? Is the grouse that the police visited Rahul Gandhi's residence? Is the grouse the nature of the questions asked of the esteemed Rahul Gandhi, or that Rahul Gandhi's office was made to answer anything at all? I mean, I don't understand. A prime minister, when he's prime minister, can cooperate with the police. But if you go to Rahul Gandhi's house, it becomes such a matter of national discussion and debate. I'm really not getting the drift of, and this is an issue on which
Absolutely.
Parliament
And
has virtually
wasting the
been
time
blocked
of
today.
Parliament to discuss something as trivial like as this. I think the Congress party is run out of, it's completely bankrupt. It's run out of issues to raise. That's the whole problem, and this is all they can find. In any case, they're so deeply embarrassed because Rahul Gandhi is missing right through this session when the land acquisition bill is coming up, the amended land acquisition bill, that I think they just try to divert attention, and they've ended up embarrassing themselves and embarrassing, the whole party.
Yeah, and this argument again, Ami Yagnik, be rational about. You say Rahul Gandhi has SPG protection and therefore these forms are needless. Sonia Gandhi has SPG protection. She filled up the form in 2012 again.
Yes.
Prime Minister.
Yeah, Mr. Kakkar, why don't you speak? No, because
The
Mr.
number
Kakkar
of
can
forms-
explain this to you. Mr. Kakkar,
Yes,
please.
yes. 1 minute.
I can-
Mr.
1
Kakkar,
minute,
please.
Arnav.
Ami Yagnik,
1 minute,
let Mr.
Arnav.
Kakkar say
Mr.
anything. 1 second. Yeah.
Mr. Just now a remark was made that my house is my castle and nobody can enter. Every day the beat constables with a pro forma visit the senior citizens of this country just to collect some information so that at some stage they can help them. When the beat they are not going to destroy their castle, let me tell you. And this ASI and the constable did not go to destroy the castle of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. They wanted an information on a pro forma which has been given to them by the authorities, and this pro forma is for the past 5 decades. I wonder why nobody before this raised any objections.
No, because of the
And let me
elitist.
tell- I want to reiterate
because
once again
because of
that
the
all
because
such
of
information
because
is
Mr.
collected
Kakkar
by the-
because
by
Mr.
the officers
Kakkar
of that level
because
only.
Mr.
Never
Kakkar
a DSP
Yeah.
or an IPS officer
No, I'll tell you.
goes to collect this information.
Sir, I'll tell you the reason.
When I visit your place, if you
Yeah.
don't want it, don't give the information.
No,
then.
no, sir, I'll tell you the reason.
But you cannot say that the police cannot visit you.
No, they can't, because today there is such a deep-seated elitism in the Congress party here today. They genuinely believe here that Rahul Gandhi should be treated like he's part of some other ruling class or species. I mean, Anand Sharma says in Parliament he's been MP for 11 years. Everybody knows his parents. Why should we ask these questions? So tomorrow, why don't you say this tomorrow, that your basic argument is Rahul Gandhi comes from a very eminent family which is world famous. Then Miss Ami Yagnik, give him a customized passport form. And in the form, you should not ask for the names of the parents. Tomorrow you will say he belongs to a very famous political family. His IDs should not have any details of his height, the color of his hair, because your point is everybody in the country ought to know everything about Rahul Gandhi. Why is anybody complaining about anything, right? I mean, Mr. Vajpayee also. Mr. Vajpayee, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I need to complete this. No, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was very well known. He was an achiever in his own right. He never demanded this kind of exclusivity. This elitism was never there. I mean, what does he think? He's the crown prince of India.
How?
He thinks he's the crown prince of India.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee's form, is it
Is he
signed?
above law?
Yes, Atal Bihari Vajpayee's form is here, sir.
Rahul Gandhi, is he above law?
It
You
doesn't
must
have to be
answer
signed
that.
or not signed. You don't understand. It is a form filled in by an inquiry
One
officer.
important thing I want to ask Ami Yagnik.
There has to be a signature.
I want to
There
ask
has to
her
be a
why
counter
Congress
signature.
did not walk
No
out from
documents are
Lok
authentic
Sabha.
without that.
That is Sonia camp, hates Rahul camp. That is the simple one. That is why Congress adopted double standards. In Lok Sabha, they did not walk out. In Rajya Sabha, they walked out. Why these two? Why there is no synergy in Congress? Why Congress is not having synergy?
Talk properly, please.
They have neither energy nor
Yes, you
synergy.
are a
Why they
political
don't have
analyst,
synergy?
please
Why
talk
they
sense.
don't have comparison? Why Congress took
How do you
standards?
know?
Yeah, I
How
saw
do you
that.
know?
I was in Parliament today.
Don't jump to
He was
conclusions.
snooping.
I was
snooping
I was
in
in
all
Parliament
this.
Conclusions
today.
like that.
He was snooping at the Congress
Don't
there.
Why Congress did not walk out? Sonia camp, Lok Sabha, Rahul camp, Rajya Sabha.
Now, Arnab, did you realize one thing? Jayanti Natarajan had a press conference recently where she said that for 1 long year, she tried to meet Rahul Gandhi but could not meet. Just imagine when their own party people cannot meet Rahul Gandhi. How dare a constable or a ASI go and try to meet Rahul Gandhi?
You know, Ami
and want to
Agnik.
know the color of his hair?
Ami
Just
Agnik, you think you
imagine.
messed
He
up?
could have met. Provided
Mr.
he had
Patra,
gone
the
with the
constable
could he
has
meet?
the authority of the law.
But he had gone for
Constable
snooping.
has the authority
He
of
had
the
gone
law
for
and the police
snooping.
system.
But
That
Rahul
is
Gandhi is
why.
above law. He's the
Snooping cannot be allowed
Sehjada.
like this.
He's the
System-
Sehjada of the country. He's
Go
above
in
law.
Tells him to go and
Proper legal way.
get this information.
Well,
Go in
I
a
think-
proper
Therefore,
way
there is a difference.
and everything
Well,
is
I
done.
thank God, thank God,
He has
thank
the
God.
Proper way, the
behind
beat,
him.
No, no,
the beat
thank God
constable of the area cannot
no,
visit
thank
your
God,
home.
thank God royalty came to an end. The privy purses were taken back. Otherwise, somebody would say today that Tughlaq Lane should be now renamed as India's Buckingham Palace. Thank you very much for joining us on this debate on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.